Welcome to the Leaders Insights podcast. Today's episode, Reasoning Models, a practical playbook for knowing when to use them. Everyone's obsessed with reasoning models right now, the ones that think before they answer. You're about to tell me most people are using them wrong.
Not most, nearly all. The industry decided that a model which pauses to work through a chain of steps is automatically smarter, so people route everything through it. That's like hiring a forensic accountant to split a dinner bill.
Define your terms. What's a reasoning model versus a regular one?
A standard large language model, the text predicting systems like GPT-class or Claude, answers in one pass. A reasoning model spends extra compute generating intermediate steps, a scratchpad of thought, before committing. OpenAI's O-Series and DeepSeek's R1 popularized this. The scratchpad genuinely helps on hard logic. It also triples your latency and cost for no reason on easy stuff.
Triples is a big number. Where's that from?
From published token counts, a reasoning model can burn 5 to 10 times the output tokens, the chunks of text it generates and bills you for, because the thinking counts as output. OpenAI's own pricing pages show this. On a simple classification task I benchmarked in June, a reasoning model cost 11 cents per 1,000 calls versus under 2 cents for a plain model. Same accuracy.
Same accuracy. So the reasoning added nothing.
Worse than nothing. On trivial tasks, these models sometimes overthink themselves into a wrong answer. Ask one, which is bigger, 9.9 or 9.11 inches, and watch it write 4 paragraphs before occasionally botching it. It's the smartest person in the room who can't order coffee without a whiteboard.
Okay, so when do I actually need one?
3 real triggers. First, multi-step problems where the answer depends on getting intermediate steps right. Math proofs, code that has to compile, legal chains of if this, then that. Second, when the failure mode is silent, where a plausible-sounding wrong answer costs you real money. Third, planning. Tasks with dependencies, where step 3 assumes step 1 worked.
And when do I absolutely not?
Extraction, classification, summarization, formatting, retrieval. Anything where the answer is mostly in front of the model already. If you're pulling a name out of a document, there's nothing to reason about. Reasoning there is theater.
Give me the decision process, something I can use Monday morning.
Ask one question. Could a smart intern do this correctly in a single glance? If yes, use a fast standard model. If they'd need scratch paper, genuinely need to work it out. Pay for reasoning. That's it. Most teams skip the question because reasoning models feel responsible, like ordering the salad.
That's a vibe check, not engineering. Give me a number.
Fine. Set an accuracy threshold on a test set of your real tasks. Say 100 examples you know the answers to. Run the cheap model. If it clears your bar, stop. Anthropic and OpenAI both quietly recommend this in their docs, and almost nobody does it because measuring is boring and buying the premium model feels like progress.
You keep implying vendors want us over-consuming. Isn't that convenient for your argument?
It's convenient, and it's true. Reasoning tokens are the highest margin product these companies sell. I'm not saying there's a conspiracy. I'm saying the incentive points one direction and the marketing follows. State-of-the-art on hard benchmarks is real. It just doesn't mean state-of-the-art on your invoice parsing job.
What about the hybrid approach? Routing hard queries to the big model, easy ones to the cheap one.
That's the actual answer, and it's underused. Build a cheap classifier or a simple rule that decides difficulty first, then route. Companies doing this, I've seen it at a few fintechs, cut costs 60 to 70% with no accuracy loss. The routing logic is a few lines. The savings are enormous. People don't build it because it's unglamorous plumbing.
Last word, one thing listeners should do today.
Take your 10 most frequent AI calls, run them on the cheapest model you have, and check the outputs by hand. If 9 of them are fine, you just found your budget. Reasoning is a scalpel, not a default. Stop swinging it at everything.
That's your 5. The full AI track, structured, no fluff, is at mba-training.com.